Welcome to day 10 of my 31-day challenge where I am trying a new product, style, or method on my sister locks. I've been growing my sister locks for almost 12 years now, but the truth is I don't do a whole lot with them. I usually wear my locks down like this and I stick to my routines. But for the month of December, I'm trying something new every single day and I'm sharing it with you. So subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to join the journey. Today I'm trying some hair jewelry. I'm trying these gold rings, and gold is my color. I have literally gold rings, finger rings. I have a gold hoop in my nose that I think I've had for, I don't know, 9 years. So this just feels fitting for me. And I have 3 styles in mind that I want to give a try today. So let's see how they turn out. The first style is a bit of a halo look. So I'm going to braid the front of my hair. Recently, I was reminded as I was attempting to braid my daughter's hair how long it's actually been since I've braided hair. I usually do single braids for my daughter, and for cornrow, my sister usually does my daughter's hair just because she's so much more skilled at it than I am. But I'm gonna give myself 2 small braids in the front. And you can kind of see my sprinkles. I have sprinkles in there. You can kind of see them. They show up when they want to, and then sometimes I feel like I can't see them at all. And then I kind of wanted to just do ooh. Okay. So here are the gold rings. I opened this one up already, if you can see that. And I'm just gonna put them in the braids. And then close them. Boom. Ooh. So the one thing that I'm realizing the more I'm sort of getting into this challenge is that I've actually had some limitations about hair jewelry. In what video was that? I think it was the gold thread video where I tried out the gold thread that I didn't quite love it. Some of you guys really liked it, which I really appreciated that, because I think maybe it was just because it was so new for me, I just couldn't appreciate it. I think I'm realizing now there are a lot more gold jewelry options out there that I could be using, but I'm just not, because I haven't thought of creative ways to use them. So I kind of realized that already. It's only day 10 of my challenge, and I'm realizing that I have some sort of limiting beliefs around the kind of hair jewelry that I can use in my really tiny locks. There might be some adjustments needed, but I've seen some really cool styles that I can't wait to try and that I never considered before. So what do you think of style number 1? Okay, so for hairstyle number 2, I want to do half up, half down with a couple braids in the part that's up. So let me show you. So I have my half up and I'm using my new Locs spiral hair tie. If you recall from a video earlier this week, I tried the black one for the first time and I loved all the versatility of it, but I didn't love the black color. I thought it was a little bit boring. So I ordered this colorful one and I love it. So I got one in there. And I got my second one in there. One thing about my locks is they're all gonna be different lengths. Even when I trim my hair, it's just naturally layered, my locks. And I don't mind that at all. Hairstyle number 2, what do you think? Okay, so this last one is gonna be a twist on my classic wearing my hair down, but a little razzle dazzle. So what do you think of hairstyle number 3? It's my usual hair down, but with a little razzle dazzle to it. I actually really like this style a lot, of course, obviously. So hit or miss for these rings. I love these rings. I feel like there are endless possibilities for how you can style them. And I will definitely be using these again and making sure that I always have my supply with me. So let me know in the comments, which hairstyle did you like the best, 1, 2, or 3? Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like the video, and see you tomorrow.